Hello, it's Susan here from Kamari no Hime Cosplay, and today we're going to be doing a review of the Five Wits Wigs Memory Captor Cherry Blossom Wig, which I'm going to be using for Cardcaptor Sakura. Like many cosplay wigs, it comes in a clear, resealable plastic bag, and it's stuffed with tissue paper to help keep its shape, and wrapped in a net to keep the fibers in place. Inside the wig, it does have elastic bands on either side of the back so that you can change the sizing. And here's what the wig looks like. I should point out that this is not directly out of the bag because I do prefer to have a chance to wear wigs for a bit before giving a review, but the only real styling I did to it is I did trim the bangs a bit because they were in my eyes, but other than that, it's pretty ready to go out of the bag. As you can see, it's got the tendrils at the top and they're secured with a rubber band, and it also has these little bits at the bottom that hang down, and it's trimmed in a really nice layered look with a little bit of longer hair right at the bottom to cover any hair of the person wearing it that may be poking out the back. The fibers themselves are very thick, especially towards the top of the wig, and the wig cap is very roomy. As you can see, there's still enough space for me to be able to press it down where it's not sitting on top of the wig head, so there's quite a bit of room in there. Overall, I was quite pleased with this wig. And now I'll include a couple pictures of it being worn so you can see what it looks like during a photo shoot. I should point out that it was quite windy while we were taking the photos, so there are a couple times when the wig looks a little bit disheveled.